Hello and salam sehati sejiwa. Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak has arrived to meet graft investigators who are preparing to charge the former Prime Minister. He arrived at the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission MACC headquarters at 1:55 p.m. today. Datuk Seri Najib is expected to spend the night here and will be brought to the Jalan Duta Court complex to face fresh charges in relation to 1MDB. This time, he is to answer for 1MDB's dealings with Abu Dhabi's dealing with Wealth Fund International Petroleum Company IPIC. On another note, a Public Accounts Committee PAC Chairman Datuk Seri Dr. Ronald Kiandi has not ruled out the possibility of recalling former Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak over the 19.4 billion ringgit input tax credit under the Goods and Services Tax GST. He said at this point the PAC could not determine whether he would be recalled, but noted that the former Prime Minister had given his cooperation and statement on the issue.
Pada hari ini kita tidak boleh katakan dan kita akan rujuk kembali sama ada keperluan dan kita boleh buat panggilan semula. Dan kita telah buat panggilan semula terhadap KSP Custom dan juga mantan KSP. Jadi kita ikut keperluan, jika ada keperluan kita mungkin boleh mengambil semula.
He added he could not reveal the full details of Najib's testimony, but noted that the latter had explained the government's cash flow, GST collection, GST refunds and other key questions. He also said all of the questions revolve around the terms of reference set by the PAC. A bill to amend and abolish several laws relating to national security will be tabled in Parliament next month. Home Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin said a special committee was set up last July to review existing laws on national security and had submitted a report to a technical committee at the Attorney General's chambers to be fine-tuned. He said there were 6 laws and 1 punishment being reviewed. The laws are the Security Offences Special Measures Act 2012 SOSMA, Prevention of Terrorism Act 2015 POTA, Prevention of Crime Act 1959, Printing, Presses and Publication Act 1984, Sedition Act 1948, and the Peaceful Assembly Act 2012, while the punishment is the mandatory death sentence. He added among issues looked into were on the detention without trial under POCA and POTA, as well as the 60-day remand under POCA and POTA and 28 days under SOSMA. Well, that's all for me. I'm Mena Ruben. Thank you.